kayo?
Wow, it was very exciting towards the latter part of the game, and during those kind of moments, syempre sobrang, as an athlete, you just want to finish it well. So yeah.
Gaano ka-importante naman ang teamwork for this team? It was an all-around game for everyone. Everyone contributed. It reached 5 sets, but what a 5 sets this was for Creamline.
Yeah, definitely. I'd say we work with what we have right now, and lagi nire-remind sa amin since perfect effort lang ang kaya namin ibigay. And with that, grabe yung teamwork din, and grabe yung binigay ng lahat ng tao, nasa loob man, nasa labas, and yung mga nagre-recover, and our management, grabe yung support nila. So we're very, very, very lucky to have them.
Now, Creamline has entered the qualifiers. What's next for Creamline? Paano kayo magpe-prepare for the next part of this conference?
What's next? Well, definitely we'll still have to work harder, better, and polish a lot of things from this game. So I think it's really just the maturity of the team. We have to siguro try to keep going even if the going gets tough talaga.
Alright, Adelay, San Juan City is roaring for you tonight. Anyone you want to greet, anyone you want to thank, go ahead.
Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa Creamline, maraming salamat po kasi manalo, matalo, andito tayong lahat. Lalaban tayo hanggang sa dulo, at sana ipagdasal niyo po yung buong team namin. And to our management, to Sir Perevesco family, Sir Jonathan, Miss Cathy, Sir Alan, Ma'am Lisan, Alliance, World Balance, Hello Money, Bello and Docs, Salon Tires, and to everyone, to my family also, happy birthday. Happy birthday to my Lola. And maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta niyo po sa PBL. Thank you. See you all next game.
Thank you so much, Eliza. Once again,